చేతికేమో పుస్తకం ఇచ్చావు. Too bad ఒంటికేమో బద్ధకం ఇచ్చావు. Oh God $1,000,000 సిలబస్ ఇచ్చావు. Too bad milligram brain ఇచ్చావు. Oh God one day match ఇచ్చావు. Too bad same day exam ఇచ్చావు. Oh God question paper full గా ఇచ్చావు. Too bad answer paper తెల్లగా ఇచ్చావు. తల తిప్పలేనన్ని అందాలు ఇచ్చావు.
The role I played is of a modern, independent girl who stands on her own 2 feet, and very similar to how I am in reality actually. I signed with an agency called Kwan in Bombay, and I wanted to join the movies itself, and I signed with them, and they have a South agency called Artist Alliance, and they got me this role. Actually, I came and I met Sukumar sir, and he liked me and he signed me on. So it was very, it wasn't like a huge discovery. I wanted to join the films, and so I just sort of got this opportunity. Yeah, I feel so lucky because you know, he's such a creative director, and it's been the most wonderful experience for me to work with him, and with Geeta Arts. It was really, really fantastic. I don't know any specific moments, but the whole thing was really good fun. All like Tamanna, Naga Chaitanya, Ajit, and like we all got along really, really well. Like we're all pretty much the same age as well, so we all just had a really good time laughing on set and stuff like that. It was good. It was really good fun. Yes, so far the response has been very good. The film is doing really well, as I'm sure all of you all know. And the response has been great so far, so I'm very happy. I went to film school in California, to Chapman University, to study film production, and in my course I did an acting course, and I absolutely fell in love with acting, and that's when I decided I always wanted to be in the films, but behind the camera, not in front of the camera. And I did an acting course and I just loved it, and I decided that I wanted to be an actor. In India, obviously. So I came back and did another acting course in Bombay, and the same one Chaitu went to actually, and that's it. That was it. My mother was a model when she was younger. Her name is Nandini Sen, and she was a top model in her time. So I guess it's kind of in the genes, and at that time she wasn't acting, but now she's also acting in Bollywood, and that's it. But apart from that, no film connection. I love it so far. You know, for me, it wasn't about being in Bollywood or being in the Telugu film industry or even any sort of thing. I am really passionate about acting. I mean, it's my bliss. I can't imagine doing anything else. So for me to be able to do that in any language would be fantastic. And so far my experience in the Telugu film industry has been amazing. I absolutely love it. People over here are very, very sweet, and it's just been it's been wonderful. See how for me, I love languages. So when I was on set and things like that, yes, I've come to a stage where Telugu, for me, I can understand it slightly, but for me to, I don't know the grammar yet, but I'm sure I will soon, because I'm very, very quick with languages. But as long as I know the meaning of what I'm saying, whatever language I could be speaking, I could be saying nothing, but as long as I know what I am saying, the meaning of what I'm saying, that's the most important thing, because that's what really matters with emoting. My screen presence with Chaitanya, I don't know how the response so far has been really good. But all I can say is that working with him was too much fun. We've had a great time. We just laughed, and it was just really, really fun. Any dance? Yes, I've done Kathak, I've done Bollywood dancing, I love dancing. So I just need to, but now I need to do a film where I can do like a proper full-on South Indian song. That's what I'm actually dying to do. So yeah, I need to do that. About my song, and I love that song. Actually, when we were shooting the song and it was playing, it would keep getting stuck in my head. And Tamanna and I, even when we were just sitting and waiting, we'd be like humming the song, you know, not knowing, because at that time we hadn't listened to the entire track or anything, but I really like it. I would love to play a full-on bubbly sort of character, because that's how I am in real life as well. someone with a lot of energy and just, you know, a chatterbox type character. I'd love to play a character like